guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing with some slimes that I just bought. They're in this box. Fragile. Yes, like me. Not like me at all, because I got the fat to cover that up. So I already cut it, but this tape has been annoying me, so yikes. And it probably would YouTube. Yeah. Difficult situation right now. Why didn't I set this up before? Give me 1 minute, because it's going to take me a long time. Yeah, I kind of ended up going outside and getting a rock. Yeah. I got it, and then I turned you guys. Then I turned you guys on. Okay. Ooh, there's a container. What are you? Okay. I am supposed to get, I think, 4 slimes. I ordered 1 white one, 1 green one, no, and stuck to my spot. Shot. And a few glow in the dark ones, and I don't know if this is green or blue. Because I ordered blue glow in the dark ones. Pick that up. Let's go see if this one glows. Why am I so clumsy? Have no clue at all. Do in a dark place. Does it glow? Hello? It does not glow. I'm sad. No, very sad. I was hoping that would glow, but don't give your hopes up yet. Maybe it needs to charge. If it is a glow in the dark one, I'll set it in my slime area. That should get enough sunlight. I just took a picture of that stuff. Don't know why, but I did. I just realized it'd be easier if I went on that little table. I can't point at anything. Oh my gosh. That's true. What? I think she meant to say extras, but no. Is it? Oh. There's 2 notes. Okay. This is Bella's mom. P.S. I helped her, so it should be good. Okay. That other one did not peel the best. Just so her mom does not know what she's doing then, obviously. Thank you for, I can't even read this. I'm so confused right now. Thank you for buying? Don't know. Buying from me. It was so nice of you. I'm sick, so sorry if it bad, thanks. Couldn't read that. Well, yeah, it's bad, sweetie. I'm sorry. But I do like the dish that she gave me. Just stuff that in my... that's cold. That went through my shirt. These are extras. So she gave me 4 markers, just 3 Why do I have to drop everything? 3 regular markers. And a tiny keychain Sharpie. Yay. I mean, close, it's miniature. Ooh, an extra slime. Ooh. Oh. Okay. This is really nice. Sunshine yellow. Do not know what that means. This is not yellow or sun shining. It's more like a poop shining on it. Okay. Ooh, another slime. Ew, that's wet. It has sand in it, and it's like really wet, and it has like some glitter in it too. Don't like that. Oh, and a bunch of green glitter. It's everywhere. I think that's something she used in it. So it just gives away green stuff. So, okay, blue glow in the dark. So, I'm guessing this one glows in the dark. So I'm guessing the other one glows in the dark. Let's find out. Shall we? Let's go. This video is going to be so long, so guys better be prepared. I mean, it's kind of glowing. Let's take out this night light thing that we have in here. Yeah. I mean, it kind of glows, but not totally. I mean, it is really nice slime, though. You guys see it? Probably not. If I turn the flash on, then it's not going to be green. What if I go far enough? Gosh. Far enough from you. Can you see it turns green? So it turns like a green glow. And that's just gonna make it. I'm so stupid. Let's go. Nope. How do I turn off the light? I'm Chennicky. Don't know who that is. Probably Chucky's girlfriend. If he has one. I mean, he kills so many people, but hey, you never know. Yeah. Amazing. This one's kind of more green, and this one's kind of more blue. You can't really tell on camera. That's who. Yeah. Now you can. See, this one's kind of more green, and this one's kind of more blue. I feel like this one will feel the same. I don't know if she made it like a batch. She made them separate, which is stupid too. I just get a magic note. I made them separate. Okay, so, oh, okay. She's nice. Has pretty nice crackle-wackles. Let's swirl her. Shall we? Oh my gosh, guys, this is already pretty much 9 minutes. I need to hurry. Why can't I just swirl it now? I have no clue. Probably because I'm stupid. And that was the worst swirl I've ever done. Kind of sticky, but to be honest, it made it really stretchy though. Oh my god. That's all I can say for it. You're staying right there. Okay, now there's a white one. A crystal slime. It says Nicole's crystal slime. Yes, I had to give her my name. It was awkward. I literally had to go to your house and get it. I bought this from a girl that's in my school. Yeah, and she was like really young, so I have no clue. Why am I still playing with that? I need to get going. So this is the crystal slime. Don't know what that means. Ew, it's hot. Comment down below if I should fix this. Can you get some light on me? Thank you. Potty, 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 potty. Okay. Yeah, it's not so satisfying at all. It's slime. Oh, yes, I'm just gonna take it all out. Can I poke it with my pinky? Nope. This is actually really nice and so soft. It's a fluffy slime. Here comes the white. Not as good as I thought it would be, and yes, there is a lot more. Okay. Hi. Okay, so that was all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you definitely want to see me fix some slimes. I'll probably only fix one because, I mean, this one has already been 13 minutes. But, yeah, thanks for watching again. Okay, your girl out. Bye! I just sounded like a dying goat. Help, please. So, yeah. No, bye.